Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you have a code P0520, stay with us guys. We will explain most likely what causes that and how to fix it. 3 things that can cause that code. Make sure you stay until the end, guys. The engine is out of the car, you can see why, because we did engine replacement. In the meantime, we showed you guys how to fix pretty much anything on that engine. We made close to 100 videos taking it apart. In addition, guys, we're working on making about 100 videos on this engine for engine codes, diagnostics and common problems. Why we do all that? This is because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy any replacement parts or tools or the scanner that we're using, we'll share all the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let me show you now what causes this code. This code is relating to oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch. Your upper engine cover most likely will be black. Ours is white because we like it a little bit different and we like the way it looks white. We'll make a video how to paint it, guys, so you can check it out. Now, this is the scanner that we use. Many of you constantly ask me which scanner do you use, guys. This is it. It covers all US vehicles, pretty much all European cars as well, even Lamborghinis, guys. It's amazing. And it also, guys, covers all Asian vehicles. Almost all of them, practically, all the ones we get at least in the US. I like that scanner to the point that it can pay itself off in one-time use. You can read, delete codes from every computer system and you can see live data, so that's pretty much amazing. And now, if you get that code, guys, okay, what it indicates? It indicates that you have problem with the oil pressure switch. Oil pressure switch is on the back side of your engine, guys, and with the engine, if it's in the vehicle, I cannot show you where it's located, guys. It is, okay, you will have your serpentine belt right here. We have the belt removed. That's your water pump. You can see that's your oil cap. So from the oil cap come on the back side of the engine. And right under the water pump, guys, you have one device that is called, okay, oil pressure sensor, guys. Okay, this device right there, or oil pressure switch. So that's the device, guys, that causes our problem right here. Things to look for now. If that device, guys, goes bad, you get a code P0520, and we'll have a video, guys, how to remove and replace it, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. But other common things are if the connector is not pushed all the way in, and once you connect it, make sure that you install that red piece, guys. That's safety lock that prevents it from getting loose. Number 2, guys, is loose connector. We talked about that. What about number 3? Number 3. If somebody worked on your vehicle, or you did, and you disconnected these wires that are attached to the intake manifold here, and for some reason they come loose, okay, those wires can come and they can get caught by the serpentine belt. We've seen that happen. As a result, a damaged wire, guys, will throw that code as well if you damage the oil pressure line. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you guys have any more questions, just let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out, and see you guys next time.